Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the job site. Hey, today we're back on that old pool house. Finally got some masons to put up some tile so we can finish the ceiling with some red cedar. So, pretty cool. Yep, she's coming along. We just got here today. Beautiful day in Ohio. Like 80, sunny. Check out this. That's some beautiful cedar. And cedar goes on here, and cedar goes on this ceiling. Check it out, guys. Look how many holes we gotta drill. Holes over here. There's 17 holes in the ceiling. But it's looking real nice. Check it out, guys. There's a refrigerator. Kegger goes under there. Sink. Smoker over there by that bucket. And then here's the bar. Pretty cool. Long. And then there's a pool. They got a cover on it. Keeping the leaves out. Autumn's on its way. So here's what we got, guys. We got this set up over here. We got jig, drill. We got chop box, circular saw, table saw, and there's a circular saw. Very little scrap. Just cut off what you need. Well, we got all that out there. Need to finish up the stone. Looking good. Alright guys, this is easy. Anybody can do this. I'm going to put in time lapse to kick some ass. Alright guys, check it out! Got this going here. It looks very nice. And all up there. The kinks start coming up the other side. Wrapping it up. Tomorrow's another day. That looks good. Right over the bar. Uh-huh. That'll work. That is one heck of a nice ceiling. That is a lot of cedar. Look at the holes. It's like Swiss cheese. Oh. It's all red cedar. Came from Colombia. That looks fucking killer. Watch my French. That's awesome. Alright. Back on Monday. Finish this job. Check that ceiling out, boys. Nice. There's the bar. Belly up to the bar for some rum. Hi, Vern. We got the siding and the soffit licked. Just in time. It's starting to rain. We gotta get out of here. Check it out. It's hard to see, but soffit, siding. That finishes up everything out here. Cedar's all done. Electricians came over the weekend. Stone guys were here over the weekend. Looking good. All we got left are these headers and these posts. But tomorrow is another day. See you then. Alright guys, check it out. I'm going to show you a review on there. We did the siding like 3 months ago. I never made a video on that. Wasn't much, but here we go. So I'll finish up what we had to do. Did this gable end up here? You can barely see it, but man, it's a major thing. And all the cedar done. It looks totally awesome. Did the metal on the posts. I mean, wood on the posts, metal on the beams. Over here, metal on the beams. Really nice. Beautiful. Man, look at that cut around that stone. Nice.
They did a good job.
Do those turn on, Mike? Alright, let's go. We're done here. Alright, guys.
Man, I feel like a woman.
Well, guys, we did it. We're done. You're done. Right?
Yep, you're done.
You're done. Anyway, we got all the cedar done. We got all the siding done. Got the soffit done. Got the posts and cedar. We got one little door we're gonna set over here, and we are out of here. Woohoo! Too bad it ain't Friday. It's only Tuesday.
Yeah, they don't know that.
But
Could be Friday.
we'll get home in time to watch the game.
Oh shit. Dad, can you push this a little bit right here? Like that. Can you put a nail there? Oh yeah. Oh, I pulled that side of it.
Yep.
Hold on. Shoot it.
Shoot it. Yeah, shoot
There's no nail in there. Nail didn't shoot us, don't we?
Push this in there. Yep.
Okay.
No, nail it the other way. Yeah.
There it is. No, it's out of there right here. That's oh, it's good. Now let's set that door. We're done. Now we're gonna take it this way. Step over that.
Alright guys, I'm just gonna end this video here because we're done. But you guys try to find me on Facebook and YouTube and X, Instagram. I'm on all of them. Trying to get this channel going. It's going on 3 years. We need some faithful subscribers.
Come on.
Alright guys, catch you on the next one.